Welcome to this video on third-party appointment, AA88 process on SARS. First log in on your SARS. Type the username and the password you have created. Select or search the employer database you want to work with and click Continue. Then click on Synchronization on the left-hand menu. Enter your e-filing username and password and click on Login in order to start the synchronization. Please note, if you have never synced before, all the other options will be grayed out. Only Sync All will be active. If all the options are active, but you have not synced for the past 6 months. Please select the first option to sync the e-filing profile and employer information first to avoid getting an error message, example, failed to sync. You also have an option to only sync the AA88 notices. Click on Sync. When the sync is complete, a pop-up message will indicate that the synchronization has successfully completed. Click on View Correspondence. Click on the employer to change the database that you want to work with, or search the employer using the PAYE number. The available letters and letter types will be shown after the sync. A confirmation pop-up message will confirm the employer database has been changed. Click OK to proceed. It is important to archive notifications that have been read, as new notifications will not be displayed on the screen. Once the read notifications are archived, the new ones will appear. Scroll down to check the AA88 notification. Double-click the notification to view the information. Remember, this is not a letter, but the notification. You cannot see a letter on this screen. Click OK to close the notification after you have read it. After you have viewed the AA88 notification, you can then click on Third-Party Appointments on the left-hand menu. On the third-party transaction and monetary information, you will be able to see the AA88 data. How many have been issued and how many have been completed, including the defaulted ones. Remember, this information includes old notices that have not been removed. The focus should be on the next tab, AA88 transaction changes since previous synchronization. This is where you will be able to see your last transactions, compared to what you have received for the current month if there are any changes. Here you are also able to clear your local AA88 data if you want to perform full synchronization. After you have clicked on Clear Local AA88 data, the system will display a warning message. Click Yes to proceed, and all previously retrieved AA88 data will be cleared from the user's database. The status will then reflect out of sync after clearing your AA88 data. You will now be able to perform a full synchronization that should retrieve all available data from the SARS backend server. The result after synchronization should reflect in sync with SARS. You can now proceed to the third-party appointments and cancellations page. When conducting a search for AA88, ensure that your criteria are aligned with the current month. Regular monthly synchronization is essential to maintain an up-to-date AA88 data. If you do not include a date in your search All issued AA88 data, including those that have been finalized and defaulted, will be displayed. For greater efficiency, it is recommended to search only for the most recent and active AA88 data requiring action. For additional information about AA88 statuses, refer to Section 4.2.1 of the SARS AA88 External Guide available on the SARS website. Select the outcome to indicate if the employee is no longer employed by you, deceased, insolvent, or requesting affordability. These outcomes are detailed in Section 5 of the AA88 External Guide. Please ensure that these outcomes are submitted to SARS. The Employment Confirmed option means that you will be making the payment as the employee is still in your employment. Please note, you're also able to select Bulk Outcome. For example, if all the employees on the screen are still employed by you, simply select all the employees on the left-hand side and then click on Bulk Outcome at the bottom of the screen. When you choose an outcome on the Bulk Outcome screen and click Update, that outcome will be applied to all employees you've selected. To submit the outcome, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. The next screen will display active transactions, transactions that you're about to submit, and the transactions that you have not actioned. Click Continue to proceed. Enter your e-filing username and password and click on Login. An AA88 instruction pop-up will appear, stating that outcomes cannot be reversed automatically once submitted. To proceed, click I understand Continue. Then click OK. SARS will record all outcomes submitted by the employer for audit purposes. To print the AA88, click on the Print button. You won't be able to open the AA88 letter directly on SAFile, but you can save it to your computer first to view it. To make the payment for all the confirmed employment, click on the Manage Payments button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, the employers may receive two types of third-party appointment notices on SAFile Employer. AA88 notices. These notices relate to non-compliance or penalty-based third-party appointments. Each AA88 contains a unique payment reference number made up of the taxpayer's tax reference number, followed by AI and an 8-digit unique number. ITA 88 notices. These notices will only be issued to an employer if an overdue debt exists against a taxpayer's account. The PRN for an ITA 88 also starts with the taxpayer's tax reference number, but is followed by T and 8 zeros. Because the 8 zeros are not unique, ITA 88 notices cannot be updated electronically on SAFile. This limitation is the primary reason ITA 88 notices have historically been processed manually. You'll need to export these ITA 88 items to your payroll file for manual processing. For instructions on how to export, refer to page 19 of the third-party external guide. Click the plus sign to review the payment details for each employee. On this screen, you may deselect the ITA 88 entries and the defaulted AA 88 entries, and process only the recent payable AA 88s. Select all employees AA88 you want to pay and then click on Pay via SARS. A confirmation pop-up will display the transaction count and the total amount to be paid. Please click Submit to proceed. Enter your e-filing username and password, then click on Login. A confirmation screen, bulk payment file submitted successfully. Click on OK. The status will then reflect paid via e-filing on all employees that were selected. Please log out of SARS and access the e-filing profile to release the bulk payments initiated. If the profile is for organization or tax practitioner, make sure you select the correct portfolio and the correct taxpayer on the drop-down list. Click on Returns at the top menu, then Payments on the left menu. Then select Bulk Payments on the sub-menu. Click on Unpaid Batches on the Bulk Payments sub-menu. The list of all unpaid batches will be displayed. Click on Pay Batch on the far right, on your recent batch initiated from SARS. The bulk payment batch summary will be displayed. Complete the payment request date, then select the bank to proceed. If there is no bank account set up for the employer, click on Set up New Account at the bottom of the screen. When you are done, click on Confirm Payment. Once you have confirmed the payment on e-filing, you must release the payment from your bank account. For more information on how to set up bank account and how to release payments from your bank account, visit the SARS website. Thanks for watching. SARS, at your service.